My name is Robert Estrada, and I am a Senior Control Systems Planner at San Jose Water. Replacing aging infrastructure like tanks throughout our service area allows us to provide improved storage capacity and better fire protection. For example, the Pike Station tank in Saratoga is being replaced with a new welded steel tank. Maintaining reliability is an important part of my work. While replacing the tank, we installed and maintained an important communication system that ensures the temporary tanks fill when needed for our customers. Each tank we replace features an improved seismic stability and a new interior coating to maintain a safe, healthy, and reliable source of water. San Jose Water has invested over $1 billion over the past 10 years to make sure the water system is built to last. Improvements like these put your rate dollars to work and allow us to provide high-quality water service for the next 100 years.